Hey guys, this is Faye from Feisworld Media, and in this video, I want to fast track the way I use Restream to connect to Zoom so that I can go live not just on the Zoom selected live streaming platform, go live on multiple channels. In fact, more than 30 of them, including LinkedIn, Twitter. Without further ado, let's get started. So the sign up Restream is really straightforward. Be sure to click on the link below. You can use it for free or upgrade using the $10 credit that you can get with my link. Now, once you log in, right under the homepage, you will see that you can start with a studio, but what you want to do instead, if you want to set it up with Zoom, click on setup for OBS and Zoom. Right here, what you get is the RTMP URL and stream key. You can easily copy that. And there's additional tutorial if you want to learn how to connect to Zoom. I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. First, log into Zoom under account management and then account settings. The easy way to do it is search for a live stream. After you search for a live stream, make sure you toggle this option to be on. Click on enable and make sure that you don't just check for Facebook, Workplace, YouTube. You need custom live streaming service. Here you can provide specific instructions that will enable meeting hosts in your account to configure live streaming. Now, what I typically do is I will copy and paste this information in. And what's going to happen is whether it's you, the host, or the co-host, once you begin live streaming from your Zoom meeting, you're going to be prompted with these instructions. And trust me, it comes in handy. So I'll copy exactly as it is. By the way, the stream key is not something you want to share with anyone because literally it's like a secret key to connect to your Restream service. So you want to make sure you only are sharing this information with your internal team. Once you're done, click on save. So it says your setting has been updated. Now what we're going to do is actually turn on Zoom. Now you're inside a Zoom meeting. And what's going to happen is you're going to click on more and then live on custom live streaming services. If you don't see this option, it's because you haven't enabled live on custom live streaming services. And same thing goes if you don't see any of the live streaming options, that means that they haven't been turned on. Once you click on that, you see on this page, as I mentioned before. So here, what you're going to do is copy the RTMP live stream URL in the first field. And then you're going to copy the stream key exactly as it's shown into the streaming key. And finally, you may be wondering, what is live streaming page URL? You're required to enter this, which means anyone who used this link can watch the live broadcast. My recommendation here is I often use YouTube live stream. But again, for you, it could be Facebook, maybe it's LinkedIn. That's completely your choice. And lastly, it says custom streaming service requires authentication to broadcast. I'm the only person really using the Feisworld Zoom account, so I don't typically check this. It's not necessary. But once all this is entered, you just hit go live, and that's it. After you click go live, go back to your Zoom meeting. There will be an indicator that you are live and you'll be able to turn it off once you're done with live streaming. It's really straightforward. So the last thing you may be wondering, Faye, what channel am I actually going live on? Well, that's all predetermined right here inside Restream. As you can see on my homepage, clearly I have everything turned on for my YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, including my personal and my Facebook page. And you know what? Restream makes it so easy for you to turn things on and off. I typically keep all of them on, but you have the flexibility to customize that. So that's exactly how you go live using Zoom on multiple channels. In case you're wondering, I'm going to click add a channel and just take a look at all of these: Twitch and Bilibili, which is a Chinese platform, and so much more. And in addition to that, you can actually create custom RTMP. And I have a separate video for you to see how you're able to connect Restream to Instagram using Yellow Duck. So there's so much for you to explore. I hope you have fun. And if you like this video, be sure to check out our other videos related to Restream and give Restream a shot and claim your $10 credit when you're ready to upgrade. And by the way, Restream is completely free to use. Their free version is forever free. And guess what? It comes with Zoom. Look at that. Stream with Zoom, completely free. And if you're like me who wants to take live streaming to the next level, maybe for podcasting, maybe on additional channels, What you might want to consider is the standard version, and it's only $16 when you purchase annually or $19 if you pay monthly. And remember that you can claim that $10 credit from Feisworld by clicking on the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.